Part 3 of this video. Do you know these common connectors? How many of them can you recognize and use? Section A. Longer connection. No change house quick. Connector type. Attach with a double pacifier shaped connector, which will be in the middle of two house quick connectors. Section B. Longer connection and change into thread. Connector type. Attach the type adapter with the other side of the double pacifier shaped connector, and then attach the male thread side with the female thread side. Section C. Water adjustment. Based on Section B, the valve with open and close switch to control water flow. This is the two-way water splitter with two valves to adjust water flow. Section D. Longer connection. No change thread connector type. Just rotate it. Section E. Longer connection and change into house quick connector type. Connect the male thread side with 3/4 female thread adapter. Next, attach the pacifier shaped end of the adapter with the house quick connector. Section F. Water adjustment. Based on Section D, connect with the valve. Turn on or turn off the switch. Different thread connectors. Same logic as the two-way water splitter with two valve switches.